We have a 2000 C230 compressor, and the customer brought the car in for a hard starting complaint after the car sits for a few minutes. And what we noticed was that the fuel pressure regulator was okay, and it was maintaining vacuum and not leaking gas through the vacuum pipe on the regulator. And we also checked the fuel pump to see if there was losing any pressure at the fuel pump, and it wasn't. And we can see that right after we just turned off the car about a minute or two ago, and the fuel pressure is starting to drop. It's not all the way down where it will go after it sits for a few minutes. In just a few minutes, I'll turn the video back on and show you where the needle goes to. We did discover the problem. It's an unusual issue. We normally don't see this type of problem on Mercedes cars, but in a few minutes when the gauge goes all the way down to zero, I'll explain to you what we found with this vehicle. So we're back at the C-Class C230 compressor again, and it's been about 30 minutes. We waited about 30 minutes, and I'm going to show you the fuel pressure gauge where it's at right now, and it is below 20 bar or the 200 kPa measurement sign. It's below that, and it shouldn't fall below 30 minutes below the 200 bar mark or 20 bar mark. And we did try a few things on the car, and we had no success. But when we ended up replacing this fuel pump relay, it's a 4-pin relay. It actually caused the fuel pressure to stop dropping. And we think what's happening is that there's a bad diode inside this relay that's causing the fuel pump to actually suck the fuel back from the inline fuel system back into the tank. And that's what's actually causing the car to lose fuel pressure, inline fuel pressure. So there is a fuel pressure drop that's being caused by this relay. When we put a new relay in, you're going to see that the fuel pressure stays above 2 bar. In fact, it doesn't even drop below 3 after 30 minutes. So I'll show you what happens with that new relay installed.